If you are wondering if we have AI available on the Motorola Edge 70, then the answer is yes, we do. We have a bunch of different AI tools that we can easily use on this phone. Of course, we have some basic Google AI stuff as well, like the circle to search, which we can activate by holding a finger on the home button, or the navigation handlebar if you use gestures instead. Of course, we also have Gemini, which is now a standard, especially on Android 16 devices. We can find the app pre-installed, we can easily use it on our Motorola Edge 70. However, besides that, Motorola offers some tools on its own. Just by opening settings, we can immediately find the Moto AI section, where we can find all this different stuff. Apparently, we can go to launch gestures in order to find the AI key, which is this one over here, of course, on the left side of the phone. So we can activate Moto AI. So not only we have Gemini, we also have Moto AI, so Motorola's own attempt on, getting into the pie of all these AI assistants. And besides that, we have the quick launch option, which apparently it is AI, but it was there before AI was even a thing. So it's quite interesting that they mentioned it like that. Of course, we can customize the power button as well. I'm not sure why it is exactly in here. In actions, we have the catch me up, which is like a quick summary of notifications. So if you receive lots of notifications and you don't check up your phone, you can quickly verify what is, I believe, the most important that you don't want to miss. Something that is called Playlist Studio, which uses your music service to create a playlist. You can, of course, choose the music service over here if you install them. Let's go back. We have the Image Studio, which is used to pretty much create AI content, AI images, I believe. Now, besides that, we have like some personalization, which uses Moto AI to learn from your interactions, activity, and saved memories to deliver tailored results. So this is like just gathering some data, I believe. Something that is called memory. In here, we have some preferences as well, but generally speaking, the Moto AI is just like it's like Gemini, but integrated in the Motorola Edge 70, which actually you don't really have to use if you don't want to. You can just avoid it at all costs. It's not like you are really forced to use it. But yeah, the full list of all features can be apparently found in here, although it seems that the list is quite short. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.